Welcome to SkVm Sudoku. I am going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku based on April 2, 2022 5-star Sudoku. Column H, we have 1 and 3. So 1 and 3 can't come these cells. It will come in the 2 cells. 8th row we have 1. So 1 can't come in this cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. 9th grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 5, 8, 6. It will come any one of the 3 cells. We will confirm later. Then column H, 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 9. 6th grade, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Column I, 5th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. Second grade, we have 1. 6th row, we have 1. And the 8th row and 9th row, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. Column F and column G, we have 5. 10th row also we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. 9th row and 10th row we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. Column H, only 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 8. It will come in the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column B and column D, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. 8th row and column B, we have pair numbers 3 and 8. So 3 and 8 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. 10th row and column 8, 8th row, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. Third row and 4th row, we have 4. Fifth row and 7th row, we have 4. Eighth grade, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Column E and column G, we have 4. Third row and 4th row, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Seventh row, we have 6 and 5. So 6 and 5 can't come this cell. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then only 1 number is remaining. 8 is confirmed here. Second row, we have 6 and 5. So 6 and 5 can't come this cell. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then column I, only 1 number is remaining. 9 is confirmed here. Tenth row, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. 7 will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. 8th row and 10th row we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. 7 will come any of the two cells, we will confirm later. Second row, 3 numbers are remaining, 3, 7, 8. Third grade, we have 3 and 7. So 3 and 7 can't come this cell, it will come any of the two cells. Then only one number is remaining, 8. 8 is confirmed here. Column C, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. 1 will come in another two cells, we will confirm later. Column C and column D, we have 1. 6th row also we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. 6th row and 7th row, column E and column F, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. The 1 is confirmed here. Seventh row, only 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 7. It will come any of the two cells, we will confirm later. 6th row, we have 8. So 8 can't come in these cells, then 8 is confirmed here. 5th grade, only 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 6. It will come in the two cells, we will confirm later. 6th row, we have 6. So 6 can't come in this cell, 6 is confirmed here, then 5 is here. Column I, only 1 number is remaining, 6 is confirmed here. Column J, only 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 5. 4th row, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here, then 1 is here. Fourth row, we have 1. So 1 can't come in this cell, then 1 is confirmed here. 5th row, only 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 5. Column D, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here, then 2 is here. 6th row, only 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 9. It will come in another 2 cells, we will confirm later. 3rd row, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells, 6 will come in another 2 cells, we will confirm later. Column G, we have 3 and 7. Will come any of the two cells will come. So 7. Column G, we get 7 will come in any of the two cells. So 7 can't come in this cell, then 7 is confirmed here. 8th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells, then 3 is confirmed here. Since 3 is here, so 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here, then 8 is here. 10th row, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here, then 6 is here. 10th row, only 1 number is remaining, 9, 9 is confirmed here. Since 9 is here, so 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here, then 7 is here. 7th grade, only 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 7. Column D, we have 6. So 6 can't come in this cell, 6 is confirmed here, then 7 is here. Ninth row, only 1 number is remaining, 6 is confirmed here. Since 6 is here, so 6 can't come this cell, 6 is confirmed here, then 2 is here. 8th row, two numbers are remaining, 8 and 9. Column F, we have 9, so 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here, then 8 is here. Column E, we have 3, so 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here, then 7 is here. Column F, two numbers are remaining, 2 and 3. Third row we have 3, so 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here, then 2 is here. Since 3 is here, so 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here, then 7 is here. Column G, only one number is remaining, 8, 8 is confirmed here. Column E, two numbers are remaining, 6 and 9. Third row we have 6, so 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here, then 9 is here. Column D, only one number is remaining, 9, 9 is confirmed here. Column C, two numbers are remaining, 2 and 7. Third row we have 2, so 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here, then 7 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.